Alibaba Cloud Qwen 3.7 Max is being marketed as a next-generation large AI model with stronger reasoning and advanced agent capabilities. But the real question is it actually a game-changing AI model or just another benchmark-heavy release? Now, to be fair, the Qwen series have become one of the more respected open-weight AI families in the industry. Recent Qwen models have genuinely impressed developers with strong coding and multilingual performance. What it does well: very strong coding performance. Qwen models have earned a solid reputation among developers for programming tasks, debugging, and technical reasoning. Excellent multilingual support. This is one of Qwen's biggest strengths. The models generally perform better across Asian and multilingual tasks than many Western-focused AI systems, where the hype gets exaggerated. Benchmarks are not real-world experience. This is the biggest issue. AI companies often market models using benchmark charts that do not fully reflect daily usability. It is not automatically better than GPT. Real-world performance depends heavily on the task, prompting style, tooling, and ecosystem integration. Hallucinations still happen. Like every large language model, Qwen can still generate incorrect facts confidently. So, is Qwen 3.7 Max a game changer? Short answer: very impressive, yes, but probably not revolutionary in the way the marketing implies. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.